Magandang araw sa inyong mga bata. Ayan, good morning. At okay, Marco, simulan mo ang ating aralin sa araw ito sa isang maikling panalangin. Ayan. So, let's all stand and let's bow down our head, close our eyes, and let us pray. Amen. Ayan. So, good morning again sa inyong lahat. Ayan, good morning pupils. Good morning sa inyo, aking mga mag-aaral. Ayan. Ah, dumako muna tayo sa checking ng inyong mga attendance. So, alam naman natin na ang inyong attendance ay may partisipasyon din sa inyong grades. So, may absent ba? Tingin sa kaliwa, tingin sa kanan, tingin sa likod, tingin sa harap kung sino ang mga wala sa kanilang upuan. Wala. Okay, very good. No, palakpakan ninyo yung mga sarili dahil walang absent sa araw na ito. Yan. No? Bago kayo umupo, bago umupo, no? Please, no? Araw-araw ko itong nire-remind sa inyo na pulutin ang mga basura sa ilalim ng inyong mga upuan at lamesa. At nasaan po ang ating trash can? Ayan, nasa likod, malapit sa pintuan. Ayan, i-segregate lang ang papel at plastic. Yung nare-recycle at yung hindi nare-recycle. So, do we have an assignments, class? Yes. Now, let's check our assignments, okay? Mariel, no? Collect all the notebooks, your notebooks, no? I-collect mo and then pakilagay dito sa front ng aking desk, no? Ilagay mo sa front ng aking table, no? Para ma-check natin mamaya before tayo mag-end ng ating klase. Ayan. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let us review first our past, no? Yung ating nakaraang lesson yesterday. So, ano ba yung ating lesson yesterday? Okay, it's about the different figures and solid figures, no? It's about the difference of plain figures, different ng plain figures at ng solid figures. Ano ba yung mga plain figures lang? Pag sinabing plain figures lang, ito lang yung pag sinabing square lang, no? Square, no? Yan yung mga plain figures, square, triangle, yan lang yung mga rectangle, no? Yan lang yung mga plain figures, tapos circle, no? Wala siyang masyadong ganyan lang ang plain figures, no? No, may question ba about sa mga plain figures? Okay, pag nakakita kayo ng sign uh, sa kalsada, no? Pag may nakita kayong sign na nakalagay sa isang bilog, stop. It's a plain figure pa rin. No? May nakalagay na plain figure. So, ayan, madami yung mga plain figures. No? Kapag sinabing yung solid figure naman, no? Pag sinabi yung hat, yung hat ng ating birthday hat, no? Ano ba yon? Solid figure or plain figure kapag mayroong hat ng birthday hat? Yes, that's a solid figures. How about yung notebook? Is that a solid figure or a plain figure? Ayan, a plain figures. How about cake? No, yung cake, nag-circle na siya, tapos meron na siyang layer. Oh yes, that's a solid figures. How about the tumbler? No, yung tumbler, yung mug ninyong dala-dala niyo, baonan ninyo ng tubig. No, makikita mo yan. Ano yan? Solid or plain figure? Yes, that's a solid figures. Very good. Now let us proceed to our new topic. Our new topic today was about solid figures. So, mga solid figures na tayo ngayong class. No? So, Meron akong ipapakita sa inyo na mga samples, no? Or may sasabihin ako sa inyong mga samples, and then sabihin niyo sa akin if it is ah, kung ano ang shape niya, no? Kung ano yung kanyang ah, kung anong sample ito. Okay. Pag may binigyan ako sa inyong Rubik's, anong Rubik's Cube. Okay, meron na tayong Rubik's, no? Ano yung figures nun? Sa square shape, no? Ano yung shape niya? Square shape, no? And then it's a triangular glass, no? Its a shape is triangle. Yung triangular glass, may makita kayo na triangular glass tapos ano siya, makintab siya. Then that is a shape of a triangle. About the pyramid, no? The shape of triangle pa rin. Now, how about yung baso? Yes, that's a cylinder, no? Pag baso, cylinder, pabilog na siya, pabilog, pag ganun na. And about a cone, no? Yung ice cream cone, yes, that is shaped like a triangle, no? About a ball, na yung bola, it's a circle. Now, that's a circle. Very good observation, class. Now, let's move on our new topic. Based on that you have seen, what do you think is a solid figure? No, magdiretso na tayo sa ating formal topic na it's about the solid figures na example na natin kanina, no? Solid figures is are three-dimensional objects, no? Our lesson for today is about solid figures, and at the end of the discussion, you should be able to demonstrate understanding of the solid figures and be able to describe the difference of the solid figures. Any object that has a three-dimensional has width, weight, and depth. Okay. So, can you identify, no? Or the solid figures have a properties called the faces, vertex. Okay. Maglagay tayo dito. Solid figures, ang solid figures ay meron siyang faces, meron siyang vertex, meron siyang edge. Ayan. Okay, tanggalin muna natin to, no? Kasi maglagay tayo ng drawing. Draw tayo. Okay. So, solid figures, sabi nga, who can describe the faces of the vertex and edges of the solid figures? So, pag ganito, class, may drawing ako, tapos, tingnan niyo kung ano yung makikita ninyo, ha? Yan. Yan. I-drawing ko lang siya. So, natin dito yung vertex natin. Yung vertex. Ito yung vertex natin sa taas. That is a vertex. This is our vertex. Ito yung ating tuktok. And then, yung edge naman natin ay ito. Ito yung edge natin. Ito. About faces. Faces. Ito yung ating faces. Ito siya. And then, this is our base. So, ngayon na-determine na natin na meron siyang, yung solid figure has a three-dimensional, no? Meron siyang the three-dimensional object. So, now, mag-observe kayo sa ating dito sa ating sample. Yan. Mag-observe kayo sa ating sample. Yan. Observe niyo yung ating mga samples. May makikita ba kayo sa ating sphere? First round. May makikita ba kayong vertex, solid, vertex, edges, and base, or ano isa? Faces? Ito. Sa rectangular prism, meron siya. Meron siyang base, meron siyang edge, meron siyang, depende kung paano itayo natin yan. So, ito yung ating pyramid. Meron siyang vertex, meron siyang edge, meron siyang faces, meron siyang base. Ito yung kanyang vertex, ito yung kanyang edge, ito yung faces, din yung kanyang base. Yan. Ito yung isang ano natin ng cylinder, yung glass. Ito yung sample natin ng cylinder, yung glass, yung cube. Ito sample natin ay rubrics, no? Yung ganon-ganon ng toy, no? Pag may nakita kayong yung ikot-ikot na to, yun yung rubrics. It is example of cube, no? Cube siya. Okay, so ayo pahapyaw na lang natin to ngayon kasi ng ating na-discuss na to yesterday, yung ating diniscuss is about plane and solid. So ngayon, ano na lang natin, wrap up na lang natin to para madagdagan ng learning ang inyong mga natutunan kahapon. So now, can you give me an example of plane figures, solid figures? No, madaming example yan. So, magbigay kayo sa akin ng example ng solid figures. Ano yon? Okay, ball. The ball is example of sphere. No, yung sphere niya yung pabilog. Ayan, yung sphere. No, ano pa yung mga example ng sphere? Ball. Ano pa? Globe. Ano pa? Yung mga bilog lang, yung circle lang, yung circle. Ay yung ating solar system, may naglagay ng solar system sa science room, no? Mga sphere yung nakalagay doon sa taas. No. Okay, how about rectangular? No. Rectangular or rectangular prism. Okay. So, how about cylinder? Sino magbigay ng cylinder? Okay, glass. Ayan, pabilog kasi siya na nag-form, ganon, cylinder po yun. No? Pyramid. Ayan, madami tayong pyramid. Sa Egypt, madami doon, pyramid. No? So, ayan. So, madami tayong didiscuss sa susunod na mga araw. But today, syempre, pag-aralan lang natin ang about the solid figures. Mga solid figures lang tayo mag-focus ngayon. So, yung ating shape, yung rectangular prism niya, so may makapagsasabi ba kung ilang faces siya, kung ilang numbers, o number of vertex and number of edges? Yung ating rectangular prism, ito. Dito muna tayo sa rectangular prism. So, sa ating rectangular prism, meron siyang number of faces na 6. Ilan? Ilan? Yung faces niya. Alin yung faces ba niyan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. Kasi pag binaliktad siya, isa dito, isa. Dito, 2. Dito, 3. Sa kabilang side dito, 4. Sa kabilang side dito, 5. Sa kabilang side ng 2, sa ilalim is 6. So, may 6 faces siya. So, ilan yung kanyang vertices? So, 8. Makikita nyo ba yung 8 vertices niya? Ito yung vertices niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yung tusok-tusok niya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, yung dulo. 5, sa baba, 6, sa taas, 7, and 8. Yan. Ganyan. So, yung kanyang edge naman ay 12. Yung kanyang edges ay 12. So, may determine ba natin kung asan yung edges ng rectangular prism? So, yes naman. Mas determine natin siya. Yung mga side ito, 1. 12 siya, 12. 2, 3 sa ilalim, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, madami siya. Meron siyang faces na ang ating rectangular prism ay merong 6 na faces. Meron siyang 8 vertices and then edges niya is 12. How about triangular prism? Yung triangular prism natin. So wala tayong triangular prism dito na example, but this one is our triangular example of ayan, this one is our triangular example. Like this one. This is our triangular example. No, mag-example lang si teacher dito. Yan. This is our triangular example. Yung 10. Sinong nakakita na ng 10? No. No. May mga ano siya, di ba? So, ayan. Yung cone naman, yung cone. Itong cone. So, ilan yung may base ang cone kasi hindi siya magiging cone kapag hindi siya tatayo kapag wala siyang base. So, meron siyang 1 base. Yung faces niya, meron siyang 1 base yan. Kasi kapag sa cone base siya, kapag sa rectangular prism or cube faces siya. Kasi kahit saan lapag siya, mag-stand siya, matayo siya. No? No? Meron siyang 1 base and 1 apse. So, isa lang talaga siya. No? Then, the spear naman, no? Ano ba yung spear? Ilan ba yung edges niya? Ilan ba yung faces, edges, and vertex? So, ilan? No, yung ating spear, yung bilog. Sino magsagot? Okay. Wala. 0 siya. Kasi, ano lang siya, round. It's a perfectly round, three-dimensional shape, has like a ball, has only one curved surface. Meron lang siyang one curved surface. No? So, madami tayong pinag-aaralan araw-araw. So, now, I want to give you more examples, but meron si teacher gustong sabihin na sa inyo about sa inyong culminating activity or sa inyong gagawin na culminating para sa sa second grading ninyo. So now, mag ano na tayo, no? Magbigay na ako sa inyo ng group activity. Before that, meron bang magtanong, meron bang kayong questions, no, para matapos yung ating lesson na madami tayong natututunan, no? Yung vertices, no? Alamin natin, no, kung asaan yung vertices niya. Sphere wala siya, 0 siya kasi round lang siya. Perfectly shaped siya. So, ang ating cube naman. So, cube. Ilan yung cube? Ilan ang faces ng cube? So, 1, 2, sa side, 3, 4, sa side, 5, 6. 6 faces ang cube. Sorry. Vertices. Ilan yung vertices ng cube? Bilang. 1. Vertices to, ha? Yung dulo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same lang siya ng rectangular prism. No? 8 lang yung kanyang vertices, yung dulo. niya, yung age, yung ano niya, yung tuktok niya. So, ilan naman yung kanyang ages? No? Ilan yung age ng square? Ilan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same lang din sila. 12 ng rectangular prism. Okay. Ayan. So, I give you a group activity. Okay. So, alam ko naman na may mga stand out na mga student ko na mga pupils ko dito sa grade 6. So, I group you into 4, no? Gugrupo ko kayo sa 4 at mayroong kayong sasagutan, no? Magko-create lang kayo, no? Magki-create kayo ng solid figure community. There will be things in it will be presented by solid figures that have been discussed. So mag-create kayo ng isang grupo, mag-create kayo and then gawa kayo ng mga shapes gamit yung ano nyo, no? Gamit yung inyong natutunan sa ating solid figures, no? Ng kahit anong mga bagay na makikita ninyo sa inyong bag, gagamitin nyo siya to create a solid figures. No, halimbawa may nakita kayong baunan, no? Baunan. So, pipresent nyo siya papaano, ano yung shape niya, ilan yung faces niya, ilan yung vertices niya, ilan yung edges niya. So, ipipresent nyo yan next week. So, the creativity and the rubrics is creativity 5 points, the content is 5 points. Now, the sum of all to see may nag-raise hands. Okay, ano yon? What may question ga? Okay. Okay, mag-CR lang siya. Okay, you can now take the restroom. Okay. Thank you. Okay, may question pa ba? Mag-question pa ba? Meron pa? Okay, wala nang questions. Now, to sum up all those, all to see if you have listened to discussion, can you tell me what is a solid figure is and what is the properties and what are the types of solid figures? Okay. Can you tell me about, kasi nag-listen kayo, walang nag-ask ng question kay teacher. So, si teacher na ang mag-ask ng question sa inyo. So, okay, mag-ask si sir ng question sa, kasi sabi niyo nakinig kayo di ba? So, mag-ask si teacher, mag-ask si sir ng question sa inyo kasi nakinig kayo. No? Okay, boys at the back, quiet please. Ayan. Let me have your ear for a moment. Kasi saglit lang tayong mag-discuss today because nag-wrap up lang tayo kasi nag-tackle na tayo yesterday about solid figures. So, binigyan lang natin siya ng mga meaning ngayon at magpapaliwanag. So, ayan. Can you tell me what is a solid figure? And what its properties? And what are the types of solid figures? Okay, Maureen. Si Maureen lang talaga ang stand out na student ko sa girls. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Sabi ni Maureen, solid figures are three-dimensional figures that have height, width, and depth. Types of the solid figures are cube, prism, ulit, cube, prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Excellent. Napakagaling naman ng aking students. Palakpakan natin si Maureen. Ayan. Okay, student. My dear pupils, always remember a pyramid has a base and connecting point, while a prism has base together with translated copy of it. The sides of faces formed a pyramid are always triangles, while a prism they normally form a parallelogram. No, a pyramid is often regarded as a solid building while a prism is referred to as something that is transparent and can reflect or split light. Ayan. Okay. So remember lang ha, mga pupils ko, pyramid has base and connecting point. Pyramid. Pag sinabing pyramid, meron siyang base, connecting point niya ito sa taas. Pyramid. No. Sino na nag-listen ng song ni Charisse na Pyramid? Pyramid. So, that is a triangular. Okay. Now, connecting point. While a prism has base together with translated copy of 8. Ano daw yung a prism? Ayan. May connecting point copy of it. So, mayroon siyang side by side. No. Okay. Dahil magagaling ang aking pupils ngayong araw na to. So, not only this day, but sa mga nakalipas na araw. Kasi si Sir Jan ay always na nagiging proud sa inyo. No? Always proud ako sa inyo kasi you always do your best. No? Always do your best and always listen to me. So, now I'll give you an quiz. Okay, mag-number kayo sa inyong uh, paper 1 to 10. 1 to 10 ba? Okay, get 1 to 5 lang. Okay. Get 1/2 sheet of paper. Okay. Mag-ano tayo ha? ABC, ABC lang, ABC. So, ayan. So, very good. So, today, I mean, my either students, my pupils, uh, magbigay din ako ng assignments. Okay? Magbigay din si teacher ng assignments. But before the assignments, ready na ba kayo para sa quiz? Okay, number 1. Encircle the correct answer or write the correct answer in your answer sheet. Okay, number 1. What is a solid figure has 2 circular bases and 1 curved side? Ano daw yung solid figure that has 2 circular bases? Cone, cylinder, or sphere? 2 circular bases. A. Cone, B. Cylinder, C. Sphere. Number 2. This solid figure is like a pyramid but 2 bases that are parallel to each other. A. Prism, B. Cone, C. Cube. Okay. Number 3. A solid figure that has a circular flat base on one end at has 1 point where sides meet. No. A. Cube. Okay, questions. Ulitin lang ni sir ang questions. A solid figure that has a circular flat base on one end and has 1 point where sides meet. Okay, A. Cube. B. Cone. C. Pyramid. Okay, number 4. Number 4 na tayo. Okay, number 4. A solid figure that has 6 faces, which all square with same sizes, has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Nag-sample na yan kanina ni sir. Diba? Na-example na lahat yan kanina. Okay, a solid figure that has a 6 faces, which are all squares. Meron ng answer sa questions ni sir, 'di ba? with the same size as 8 vertices and 12 edges. Ayan. A, sphere. B, pyramid. C, cube. The last from multiple choice. These are three-dimensional object. A, cube. B, solid figures. C, soft figures. Okay. Meron pa. Huwag mo nang mag-pass ng paper. Hindi pa naman yung sinabi ni sir na mag-pass na agad kayo ng paper. Nag-pass na agad kayo ng paper. Okay. May true or false pa tayo. Right? T if the statement is true. Right? T is the statement is true and F is the statement is false. Number 1, solid figures they are commonly known as sides. Solid figures are they commonly known as sides. Number 2, the edge of the point where two or more faces meet. The edge daw is the point where two faces meet. Yung edge niya. Two faces meet. Okay, the vertices, number 3, the vertices of a solid figures are the line segment where two faces meet. Okay, number 4, the base is the face of which the figure rests. And the last number, a solid figure has a height, length, width, depth, and velocity. Okay. In count of 10, pass your paper in front. Walang tatayo. Ayan, walang tatayo. Ipas lang ang paper nyo sa front. Kung sino man yung nasa front, ipasa lang, pasa lang. Kailangan yung name ng nasa harap ang nasa harap ng papel at yung name ng nasa likod, yung nasa likod ng papel. Sunod-sunod. Okay ba yon? Sunod-sunod yung paper. Para natatandaan ni sir kung kaninong paper yon at kung saan siya nakasit. Ayan. Okay, in count of 10 in 1, 2, 10. Okay. Ayan. So, class, may natutunan ba kayo sa araw na to? Ayan. So, I will give you an assignment. This is your assignments and your groupings will be discuss it tomorrow after our before tayo mag-start sa new lesson, no, yung inyong group activity. Our assignment is create your own representation of a solid figures and explain it in front of your classmates. So, i-explain nyo yon. Create your own representation of a solid figures and explain to your classmates. So, like this one, no, like itong rectangular prism. Kung ilan yung edges niya, kung ilan yung faces niya, kung ilan yung vertices niya, i-explain niya sa inyong classmate at kung ano yung ginawa niyong solid figures or sphere ba yan, cone ba yan, cylinder ba yan, no? Yun yung i-explain nyo sa harap ng inyong classmates. The rubrics is creativity, 5 points, accuracy, may 5 points din yun, and content, may 5 points din yun. Okay. It's a clear class. Ayan, very good. Okay. And that is our topic today, solid figures. At see you tomorrow. No? Kasi mayroon pang meeting si Sir sa kabilang room. Ayan, maraming salamat at God bless you.